Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on POCO F5. To do this, we'll need to download an app called Notify Buddy from Google Play Store. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant these 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled. If you have any issues with the app, go back and disable it. From there, you should see 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and the Settings. In User, you can select and allow any apps for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can find all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings, we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. You can click on the test button to see your LED lamp, and by default it should be placed right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.